The first speaker is Gary Law.
My name is Gary Law. I served for many years in the RCMP and in the Canadian Armed Forces. Throughout my career, I learned one lesson that never changes. You cannot manage risk if you refuse to measure it. Every operational decision in policing begins with evidence. We collect information. We identify trends. We evaluate outcomes. Then we decide what is working or what needs to change. That is why I find today's decision so difficult to understand. Council is being asked to approve another long-term renewal for Aster Place. But where is the evidence or information that allows the public to evaluate its performance? How many police-related calls are associated with this site each year? How many fire or ambulance responses are associated with this site? Have those numbers improved or worsened over time? How are laboring businesses and residents being affected? Most importantly, what benchmarks are being used to determine whether this operation is successful? These are not political questions. They are basic operational questions. As a police officer, if someone asked me whether a program was improving public safety, I could not simply answer, "Trust me." I would be expected to produce evidence. Richmond residents deserve the same standard from their government. This decision should never be framed as prioritizing being compassionate over public safety. Excellent management protects and leads to both. Supporting vulnerable people and protecting the surrounding neighborhoods should go hand in hand. If Council believes this model is working, then demonstrate it with facts. If improvements are still needed, then complete those improvements before approving another long-term renewal. Evidence builds trust. Transparency builds confidence. That is what Richmond residents deserve. Thank you, Your Honor.